Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn Java program to find summation of squares of first n natural numbers, or we can find summation of cubes of first n natural numbers. So let us proceed for programming. In short, we are supposed to find sum of squares of the natural numbers or print the summation of this series, or sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, or print the summation of this series 1 raised to 3 plus 2 raised to 3 plus 3 raised to 3 up to n raised to 3. We know the basic prototype of Java program. We will write one variable I. Here we are supposed to ask user the upper limit. Upper limit means till what number summation is to be found. Enter the upper limit, or you can say enter the value of n. Okay, I'll declare int n is equal to s dot next int. I took int n, upper limit is taken. Now we will run the for loop. For I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. What does it mean? If user enters the value of n as 5, what will happen with I? It will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? If user enters here 8, means value of I will go till 8 with the increment of 1 every time, because we have written I plus plus. In the for loop, what will we do? Common mistake which user or we can say students do is what? They write like this: I is equal to I into I. Please remember, value of I should change in a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. If you will make square and if you store it in the same variable, we will not get the expected answer. So if you wish to store the square in some variable, then write some variable other than I. Why? Because we want summation of series in sequence, that is 1 raised to 2, 2 raised to 2. What does it mean? Square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, and so on. Right, guys? So we are not supposed to write I is equal to I into I. We have to write another variable, and then we know for every summation of series question, we have to declare one variable. Sum is equal to 0. Here we are using C variable, so I will declare that as well. So you will write C is equal to I into I. I calculated square, then I am storing it inside sum. After coming out of this for loop, we will print sum of squares of natural numbers. This will come in double quote. Plus, what am I supposed to write? Plus sum. Where did I store the result? In the variable sum. So how the program will look like? Let us recollect. We have to start from 1. We have to go till n with the increment of 1. We will store the square in one variable and then we will add it. Okay. Let us run this. Before executing, I have to comment the question, as it is not the part of Java program. It is question. Then I have to comment whatever we have taken, or I will simply delete it. Now I will run it. Sum of squares dot java. We compiled, compilation is done successfully. Now I will run it. Enter the upper limit. Suppose I enter 3. What will happen? what will happen? It will add 1, 4 and 9. So answer should come 14. See, summation of squares of natural number is 14. You can enter whatever limit you want. If you want till 10, you will write 385, because what will it add? It will add square of 1, square of 4, square of 3, square of 4, square of 5 and so on. It will add up to 100. All squares will be added and will result in the answer 385. Now, if question comes summation, instead of summation of squares, if question comes summation of cubes, so what will be the change? Only here I wish I am supposed to change. Am I correct? Now this will calculate what? Instead of summation of squares, it will calculate summation of cubes. So we just change the message and we will run the program. Sum of cubes of natural number is. It depends on the question. Based on the question, you can change the messages. I saved the program. Now I will compile. See, program name I have not changed because that file is already created. But actually this will calculate what? Sum of cubes. 4. So what it is giving me? Sum of cubes of natural number is 100. How did it come? Let us check. 1. Cube of 2 is what? 8. Cube of 9 is what? Not 9, sorry. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 4 is 64. If I add all of them, what will I get? 100. Right? Is this clear, everybody? So this is the way we can calculate summation of squares of numbers or summation of cubes of number. Now, second point, if you don't want to use extra variable, you can simply write sum is equal to sum plus, instead of writing it in C, what can you do? You can simply write here I into I or I into I into I. So we are not storing it somewhere, but we are directly using it and adding it in the sum container. But the better is you use separate variable to avoid confusion. Thank you.